Hello guys, this time I got this Anki 5 megapixel PoE NVR kit. Now the NVR supports 4K 8 megapixel resolution. Now one of the main functions of this NVR is that it powers the IP cameras over the Ethernet cable. You do not need any extra cable for that. Now the video input of this NVR supports 8 IP cameras. Now I'm going to show you the type of camera that comes with the kit. This is an IP camera, of course, and it will be powered by one single cable here over the Ethernet. Very easy to set up. Now, this is a metal housing with an IP67 weatherproof. And the night vision on this camera is up to 100 feet. Now the accessories. Our Ethernet cable for the camera and the power cable for the NVR, HDMI cable, Ethernet cable, the mouse, and with these accessories, it's very easy to set up. Do it yourself level. Now this PoE NVR kit comes with a 2 terabyte hard disk built in, which supports up to 60 days worth of footage. Now, the app, Anki Vision app, could be downloaded from the Apple Store or Google Play for Android devices or Apple devices. So guys, this is the Anki 5 megapixel PoE NVR kit. For this kit, you can watch live from your mobile phone by downloading the app from the box. It has a QR code for iOS and for Android device. Protect your home anytime, anywhere.